Good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's just turned about 7:45 in the morning. We are going to Animal Kingdom now. We'll get in the bus very soon, but just looking at the weather, it's sort of torrential at the moment. I think it eased up a little bit, but if I just switch the camera around, you can see that it's raining pretty heavy. Yes, hitting off the concrete there. But the bus, it's over in that direction over here. Yeah, we're going to be going to Animal Kingdom. Open to 7:30, so it's already open at the moment. We'll probably get there for maybe 8:30. And yeah, see where the day takes us, and hopefully the rain will stop. Just away to get the bus. I'm in my poncho. Claire's got her brolly on. Up, as they say. And yeah, almost there. Made it to Animal Kingdom. Here we go. To your life. The rain stopped, but now it's back on again. We made it to Africa, to Harambe, and we're going to go on Kilimanjaro Safaris now. Hopefully we'll see the animals out in the rain, and it's still only about 8:30 right now. There we go. On to the safaris.
And the Nile hippos, they'll spend the majority of their time in the water. Most of that time will be spent floating on the surface. When they go underneath the water, they have crocodile that can be found in Africa. They'll grow up to 16 feet. These trees are native to Africa. They're called baobab trees. Baobab trees are also nicknamed the tree of life because they are able to store a lot of water in their trunks that they and the animals around them can use as a water source. The eland, they're a taller species of antelope. Up ahead on the right, we'll get a little bit closer to those giraffes. These are Maasai giraffes. We know that because they have a more jagged. Able to look at that little one out there, you'll notice that they look pretty small. But whenever elephants are first born, they're born already weighing about 300 pounds. The Kofis, it's a great vantage point for them since they get a great overlook of the savannah. They are nocturnal, so they will spend the majority of. So during the day, lions and humans, we have pretty much the same eyesight. But during the night, a lion's eyesight will get about 6 times stronger.
After the safari, gone to these sweet treats. Got a slush and a Mickey cookie. We're off to see Festival of the Lion King now.
Settle down for the last time. I want quiet. Now, Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumba. They're ruining my big number. Okay. Ain't no passing train. It's our free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Tumble again. Big fella, hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Let's get out of here! enjoyed the show. It was grand having you with us. Now, please, get out!
So just seen the Festival of the Lion King. That was really, really good, as always. It's raining again. Glad I've got my flip-flops on, ponchos on as well. Then we're going to try and find some coffee somewhere, get a bit of dryness somewhere to sort of dry off from the rain, hopefully. Here we go. So we've made it over to Asia. We are going to see Feather Friends in Flight, which is a bird show here in Asia, Animal Kingdom.
Birds have been here flying around this theater, and we've been helping tell their stories for over 25 years now. Everest is a park open. Yeah, and okay, let us describe what's happening here. This is the best part about our show is that our birds do literally whatever they want. So we have a plethora of birds over here. A little trumpeter hornbill. You've probably seen this vulture flying around, and not only that, but tons of macaws, which are actually from our sister show, Winged Encounters. So it's just a bird. You got it. That's totally right. It was just like you were just a hair behind him. You were so close. Do you want to call that one a warm up? You want to do another one? Sure. Yeah, let's do another one. Okay. What about 7 minus 3? Yeah, that was totally right. He's so fast. Should we slow him down a little? Yeah, let's slow him down. Yeah, these birds are huge and they serve a really huge purpose. In Africa, where they live, they're part of nature's cleanup crew. So they eat dead stuff. Sounds kind of gross, but it actually helps to clean up our planet, reduce the spread of disease, and helps return nutrients back to the soil so plants can grow. So marabou, storks, and even vultures, like in our own backyard, scavengers, they play a really important role, and they're kind of like nature's recyclers.
Yeah, nature's recyclers is a great way to put it. And I think that if we cleaned up the earth a little bit like Morris here, the earth would be a much cleaner place. Now comes my favorite part, is exit at lightning speed. Good job. That was Morris, America's...
Yeah, that's right, it was people. Just like everybody here, that helped bring the bald eagle back from the brink of extinction.
Yeah, our efforts worked, and bald eagles' numbers started to rise, and they rose so high that the bald eagle was officially taken off the endangered species list.
Lots of rain here at Animal Kingdom. Okay, we've just done Feather Friends in Flight. I think we fancy a pulled pork burger from Flame Tree Barbecue. Love it here. Just had our lunch at Flame Tree Barbecue just across the road. It's just gone 1 o'clock. We've actually got another meal at 3 o'clock at Yeti. So I'm not sure what we're going to do now. I think the sun's sort of coming out, but it's still a little bit rainy. Gone into the store. I think we're going to be buying this jigsaw here, $40. Use the gift card for it though. Lots of other stuff in here as well. Got some like Christmas baubles as well here. Good for the Christmas tree. I do like this shirt, but I don't know if I would be able to pull it off since it's got the villains on it. Was it got Hades on it maybe? It's got Scar, it's got the Evil Queen from Snow White as well. But no, I don't think I would pull it off. We're going to swap out these flip-flops here for the Crocs here. Get the little Mickey ones. The pumpkins on them. Hello, it's after morning at Animal Kingdom. We're continuing on and we've made it back to Asia. We're going to go on the Forbidden Mountain Expedition Everest. It's a 20-minute wait at the moment. Follow the theming of this ride as well. Very cool. We're gonna go on to the jungle trek now, go to the tigers. But yeah, Everest was a lot of fun as usual.
This is a great opportunity to show you guys how tiger
Sleeping.
camouflage actually.
Next up is Yak and Yeti. I'm having that. Just had some beautiful food at Yak and Yeti. Lost count how many times we've been there. We're actually going to go back on the Kilimanjaro Safaris just because some of the rest of the group have joined us. And then maybe we might go back to Asia to do the Kilimanjaro Safaris. The Kali River Rapids, I should say. So we've just done Kilimanjaro Safaris and we also went on the River Rapids twice. It's wet anyway, so we might as well have just gotten even wetter. I think now we're probably going to leave in Animal Kingdom soon and then maybe off to Hollywood Studios. But the rain is not letting up at all. Okay, that's us going to leave Animal Kingdom for the day. Kings on the bus, kings on the bus. Kings. Way to Hollywood Studios. Part 2 of the day, we've made it to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Just gone 6 PM. And we're going to end the night here. The park closes at 9 PM tonight, so we've got 3 hours to enjoy as many of the rides as we can. Looks like a better Chinese theatre than last year. Cleaner, yeah, a lot cleaner. We made it to Hollywood Studios. We're now going to go to Toy Story Land, and there's that 35-minute wait for Toy Story Mania. Slinky dog.
Gonna pet that dog.
Yeah. 35 minutes. Toy Story Mania.
Well, at least you're honest. Hey, everybody. What did the grape say when Red stepped on it? Anyone? Anyone? Nothing. He just ran out of line. This game.
Just told us straight.
Look those times. Keep going. Keep going.
Let's examine their score.
Oh, I won! You won!
Congratulations.
How is it that much of a difference? So close. Gonna go from Toy Story Mania to Alien Swirling Saucers. This will be a bit like the one in California that we did.
Remain seated with your seatbelt.
Like the one in California. Worse. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Not going on Slinky Dog today, but maybe tomorrow. 45 minutes for this.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen.
We'll sing a song. And absolutely nothing will go wrong. Oh.
Well, a beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there. Hiya, folks. You want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you later.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, I had tickets for Fantasmic, but I guess I could help.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, listen, Liam.
Be sure to take good care of our friends.
What? They're great. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no!
Oh, with that cat switch. We made it. Nothing can stop us now. We have to stop them before they go over. ready?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Nothing can stop us now.
Yeah, that's nice. That's... You'll be able to pull that off again though. That's nice. That's cool.
That's small.
Will you come back for it?
But you should get it when you see it.
Sorry. Yeah, that one. That's a black one. Oh, no, that's a different, sorry. It's got anything in the back of it?
I dodged that one. What up, Joel?
Mustard colour.
I like that one as well.
Muppets. I'll get that one.
They've got a model for the entire state.
Nice nighty. Never started seeing these ones before. These are like a sports sort of material. Lens flies. Aye. I like this pretty jersey over there, the Donald one. The Donald one, but it's white. I think it wouldn't be very good with the colour, with it being just feel anything on it.
I like this
Yeah, as soon as you mark it, it'll stain. Next door. I haven't seen that, no. Got my Crocs that I bought earlier today, right here. Popcorn bucket you can take to the Halloween party. I really like this cup from the Monsters Inc. It's quite cool. Stuff specific to 2024 here. Cool, because the hurricane's coming, we might get Yahtzee or something.
No, it's a Rubik's Cube Max.
Wow. Is that a puzzle as well? Yeah, I bought a puzzle earlier as well. Don't see it in the shop though. Is that the one you want?
No, I'd rather go for that with black.
Black cat. Yeah, maybe.
Just carrot?
This hat's for you. I like the rucksack. What about these? Oh yeah. These go. Yeah. We're going back to the hotel. Getting the bus back to the hotel now. Number 16 for Port Orleans Riverside. So we're back at the resort now. It's just gone about 9:30 in the evening, and the rain just hasn't stopped all day. I think I've been in my Crocs for half the day. Started off the day in flip-flops, and then moved over to Crocs when I got them from Animal Kingdom. I think that's the only time ever I've spent walking in a theme park at Disney, and all the time I've been here in just Crocs or flip-flops. Usually had trainers, but yeah, today with the rain, there's absolutely no chance of me wearing socks and trainers for a whole day. So yeah, I don't know if they'll get much more use. There's a hurricane meant to be on the way. This is currently Sunday night. They're sort of warning us that it could come into play on Tuesday, into Wednesday, then maybe finish on Thursday. We'll just have to wait and see on that because it might change. But we do have Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party coming up on Tuesday. We'll just have to wait and see on that as well, because if it does rain or does get a bit stormy, they may cancel it, and if they cancel it, possibly we'll be able to get a transfer to another day as long as they're not fully booked, but hopefully it won't come to that. But yeah, I keep on saying it, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Right now I'm just going to go back over to the sort of the River Mill Inn to get some drinks in the refillable mugs and fill up the water for tomorrow. So I'm just going to get the drinks now. And then we'll head back to the room after that as well. And then hopefully go to bed and we'll have an early start tomorrow morning. I think the plan tomorrow is to go to Hollywood Studios. We've just been there, but yeah, going there again tomorrow. So that's day 2 of Walt Disney World 2024 finished with. We started off about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now about almost 10 o'clock. So it's about a 14-hour day between Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. So yeah, very tired. Another long Disney day. We started off in Kilimanjaro Safaris this morning at Animal Kingdom. We also seen the Lion King show. What else did we do? We did Expedition Everest. We did that. We did Cali River Rapids twice, as well as lunch at Yak and Yeti. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just hanging by the Segula River at the moment, just trying to keep out of the rain, heading back to the room very soon. But yeah, no, it's been a really good day. I think tomorrow we're going to be going back to Hollywood Studios, as I said a few moments ago, try and do Tower of Terror, probably Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway again. I think we might have a Ronto wrap at Galaxy's Edge over at Star Wars. Always like that, it's always very tasty. And yeah, we'll see what else the day brings us. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!